Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Town and Country minivan and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to Chrysler Town and Country's minivans made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to start, first you want to open the glove box. And then you will see right here there is this black pin. I will turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better. Now there is this pin right here, so you kind of have to slide it to this opening to be able to detach it. I'm going to show you here the other side as well, if I can squeeze my phone inside. Okay, I'll zoom it in. So you see there is this plastic holder on the other side, so all you have to do, you have to slide this thing. So I will try to do it with one hand from this side. Okay, I got it. See? You just want to push it out. I will show it to you later once I completely lower the glove box. And now once that is done, you want to push onto both sides of the glove box to be able to lower it down. You see there is this holder here on this side and one will be on the opposite side as well. So all you have to do, you have to kind of push it here and lower it down on both sides, ideally in the same time. Okay, and here should be that line I removed earlier. Okay, so this is the holder, right? So you see how it works. This holds the glove box so it doesn't fall down all the way, and it slowly retracts when you're closing it. So you see, all you have to do, you kind of have to slide this pin out through this opening right here. Okay, now once you have the glove box all the way, if you want, you can remove it completely. You don't have to do it. So to remove it completely, you just detach these hooks from these holders, right? So that's really easy to do. You just pull it off, and then the cabin air filter will be behind this housing right here. So again, I'll turn on the flash. So all you have to do, there should be like a small pin here. You want to tab, actually you want to press it, you see, and open it up. And the same thing will be on the other side as well. So just press the pin and pull towards yourself, and that will remove the cover, right? And now the filter is inside there. And you can see that on this vehicle, this filter was not removed in a long time. I got this car off the car auction, and yeah, this is how they usually look. Now to remove the filter, you just kind of pull it straight out. I will try not to do the mess here, but we'll see. Okay, that's it. Now it's also a good idea to actually clean inside this air box before installing a new cabin air filter. But yeah, this is really rough condition. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.